next second, Swami's face changed. It became like a dry rose, a fresh rose. Next second, imagine it became a dry rose. Saram to all of you. There is another aspect of Swami where Swami says, love my uncertainty. I never had any experience in this field, but Swami opened my eyes, even that aspect also. One day, when Swami comes for the morning darshan, there was one lady sitting there. She's a professional singer. Hey, kabhi aaya? Swami asked. Swami, I came this morning. Very good, very good. When are you going? She said, Swami, I am going tomorrow evening. Anyway, you have come. Why don't you give a program today evening? Swami, myself and my husband only came, Swami. We don't have any accompaniments. How? Then Swami said, no, my boys are there. Whatever instrument you want, my boys will accompany. Nothing to worry. So today evening, you give program. She said, okay, Swami. And then Swami finished the round, came to the bhajan hall and told me, today evening she is going to sing. Whatever the instruments that she needs, instruments and the instrument players, you organize. I said, yes, Swami. And then she wanted harmonium, dolak, tabla, keyboard, whatever that she wanted. We picked up the instruments and the players, sent them to her room for 1 hour practice. So between 11 to 12:30, they had some idea what she's going to sing and all that. Then they were all ready. That day evening, 4 o'clock, all of them are seated inside the bhajan hall. Generally, all the participants of that day's program, they'll be seated inside. Swami will come, have a word with them, and then when Swami gives signal, then all the party will go outside to perform. So that day, Swami came 10 minutes early, evening darshan. And when Swami was coming, you can make out, Swami was so happy and Swami very eager for something. And he quickly took a short, quick round and cut short the darshan line and straight came inside the bhajan hall. I was standing near the door. And when I saw Swami's face, he is Ananda Swarupa. Imagine that Ananda Swarupa in Ananda Rupa. It was no words to express. With bright eyes, twinkling eyes, full of smile, bright, brilliant face. Have they come? Uchara? I said, yes, Swami, they are there. Swami was so happy. And then the chair entered the threshold to bhajan hall main entrance door. And the next second, Swami's face changed. It became like a dry rose, a fresh rose. Next second, imagine it became a dry rose. And no expression, seriousness. That smile is vanished. And he looked at me. Then I sensed something is wrong. But Swami straight went towards the singer, spoke to the singer for a few minutes. Then I thought, something went wrong, but with my own limited imagination, I was trying to calculate maybe too many players Swami didn't like, or too less players Swami didn't like, or somebody whom Swami is not comfortable, that guy is there. Wild imagination, but I am not able to conclude what is the cause for that sudden change. Then I sat quietly. I know I am going to receive something. Okay, fine. We are used to all that. So I sat. To whom you can pray? To him only you can pray, even though he blasts you or admonishes you. You have no choice. So I was saying, Sairam, Sairam, Sairam. I was praying and sitting there. And I saw the chair turning and coming towards me. My heartbeat increased. I said, I'm mentally prepared. Okay, whatever Swami says, everything is for my good. I will take it. And Swami came, hey, he did. So from sitting position to kneeling down position, I went closer to Swami's chair. Then Swami looked at me and said, that singer is wearing a black sari. Tell her to change the sari before the program. I said, Swami, that singer is wearing a black sari. Tell her to change some other color before the program. I will give you 10 minutes time. I will go and wait inside the interview room. Swami, me? Swami said, yes. And then the chair moved. Again chair paused, came backwards. Again I looked at Swami. Nuvu cheppu. You tell. I said, yes, Swami. And then Swami entered the interview room. Interview room door closed. And I sat, putting my both hands on my chin like that. 10 minutes. What will I go and tell that lady? How can I tell a lady, you are wearing a black sari, change? She may tell, what is your problem? Babaji just now came and spoke to me and went. What is your problem, man? Or she may say, my husband bought this for me. What is your problem, man? Or she may say, for the program I got the best of the sari. What is your problem, man? So how can I tell? What ways I will try to explain to her? Then I thought, okay, keep quiet. Best thing is keep quiet. Because you can't go and tell a lady, change sari and all that. It's not correct. 5 minutes over. I sat quietly. The boys who were sitting next to me, they said, Sai sir, 5 minutes over. I said, yes ma'am, 5 minutes over. What to do? Tell that lady, sir, to change the sari. Stupid fellow. How can I go and tell that lady, change the sari? Yeah? No, you tell, sir, because Swami told no. Yeah, Swami will tell. Yeah. How can I go and tell a lady whom I do not know by face or I am not familiar, she is not my relative. How can I go and tell her, change the sari? Tell Swami told, sir. Do you know what is the last command? You tell. What is the meaning of you tell? Don't use my name. You tell means I am involved. Swami is not involved. So how can I tell now? Oh, like that, boy said. Yeah, man, like that only. Best thing is keep quiet. Sir, what will happen? Whatever happens, happens, yeah. I cannot go and tell. Okay, keep quiet, I said. Leave me alone. So, I felt that 10 minutes was full of peace. Because I am guaranteed 10 minutes nothing will happen. If anything has to happen, it will happen after 10 minutes only. Okay, let us enjoy this 10 minutes first. After 10 minutes, what will happen? Maybe he'll get upset. He may say, send him out. He's not listening to Swami's word. Swami's command is not following. He's not doing it. At the most, I may be sitting among the devotees from tomorrow onwards. Maybe this is the last day I'm sitting in the bhajan hall. So let me enjoy this and get ready for whatever that can happen. So I was sitting like that. Swami gave grace 2 minutes extra. After 12 minutes, the door opens. Not only me in tension, all the boys, those who are accompanying, those who witnessed, they were even more tense than me. They are not bothered about the program. What will happen to this guy now? Like that. When the door opens, everybody was shocked. Finished. Sai sir is gone today, like that. When the door opened, from inside interview room door, Swami looked. I was sitting diagonally. From there, Swami was signing. Ready, I didn't know to say nod this way or this way. I don't know what to say. Just then, my eyes fell next to Swami's chair. 4 pattu saris, silk saris were there. I saw the sari. Next second, I rushed, even without being called. Straight, I barged into the interview room. Swami was seriously looking, what this fellow from bhajan hall, straight is coming inside the interview room. Then I was kneeling down to Swami. Swami, this sari, yeah, usually after program we give no. Swami, just give me 5 minutes time. Work is done. And then I picked up 4 saris. I myself closed the interview room door. Swami was wondering, what is this guy doing? I lifted the sari, I closed the interview room door, straight came inside the bhajan hall. I went to this lady. Madam, Swami has sent these 4 saris. Which color do you like? Then she said, this color is very good. I don't have this color. Madam, take it, madam. With full of joy and happiness, she picked up that sari. And then immediately I said, Madam, Swami surprised you, no? Why not we surprise Swami? Then she said, how I can surprise Swami? Swami will take 5 minutes to come, madam. Can you change this sari? How? I am in R3. You have to take me to R3. Going, coming itself 10 minutes. Then I have to change. By then Swami will come. And if I am not there, Swami will feel upset. You don't have to go there, madam. There is a small room here. I will get it open. So where there is a room where we keep Swami's Arati plate, everything. I told the Sevadal to open that room. She went inside. She changed her sari. She came and sat. And with the extra saris, I sat there only. After 5 minutes, Swami was very inquisitive. What's happening outside? When Swami opened the door, again he looked at me. And Swami did not show any expression. But I showed expression. Yes, Swami. Done. Like that. So Swami wanted to know what this guy did and how he did. With the inquisitive nature, speed, the chair entered. Swami saw this lady already wearing, instead of black, blue sari. That is given by Swami. Kabhi change kiya, Swami felt. Then she felt very happy that everything went on very well. Then Swami turned and said, not bad. I said, Swami, it's all your intuition and your grace. And Swami felt very happy and went inside. After the program is over, she got 1 more sari. From the other 3, 1 more bonus she got on the stage there. Love my uncertainty. See, when God gives you trouble, God also gives you scope to come out of the trouble. There are 2 things. One is whether you surrender, leave it to Him to save you, or I can handle myself. If you still have that metal, if you still have that ego, then you are smashed. Best thing is, you have given the situation. You gave me the problem. Please, you give me the solution. That is what I did. 10 minutes I just surrendered. I'll enjoy this 10 minutes. Whatever God wants to do, He will do. He is the best judge. So I kept quiet and I surrendered. Because I surrendered, God gave me that intuition. Why should He open the door and gave me a clue? He never opens, but He will show you a direction. He gave me a clue. That is enough for me. And that became a blessing. And that saved my life. And that is how, for getting sari, she was happy. For saving my life, I am happy. For witnessing this episode, all the boys were happy. And Swami also felt very happy that everything went on peacefully and nicely. This is a program in program. The main program is outside Kulwant Hall. This is a mini program inside a bhajan hall. Then the main program starts outside. I'll tell you, Swami is an amazing personality. To understand Swami, it is very difficult. Best thing is to live with Him and enjoy. It may be very silly, but when you are going through, it's an amazing time, amazing way of, revealing the divinity and also saving and safeguarding oneself. I surrender to Him. That is why love my uncertainty. If you love the love, there is no uncertainty. You are certain with love. If you don't love, you are certain with uncertainty. That is the lesson that I learned from Him.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Gananam Tva Ganapati Gum Havamai Kavim Kavinam Upamasravastamam Jestarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anasrinvannoti Bissidasadanam Prano Devi Saraswati Vachebirvajinivati Dhinama Vitrayavatu Ganeshaya Namah Saraswatyai Namah श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। पुरुषस्य विद्मः सहस्राक्षस्य महादेवस्य धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे चक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो नन्दिः प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महासेनाय धीमहि तन्नः षण्मुखः प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे सुवर्णपाक्षाय धीमहि तन्नो गरुडः प्रचोदयात्। वेदात्मनाय विद्महे हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नो ब्रह्म प्रचोदयात्। नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णुः प्रचोदयात्। वज्रनखाय विद्महे तीक्ष्णदंष्ट्राय धीमहि तन्नो नरसिंहः प्रचोदयात्। भास्कराय विद्महे महायुतिकराय धीमहि तन्नो आदित्यः प्रचोदयात्। वैश्वानराय विद्महे लालीलाय धीमहि तन्नो अग्निः प्रचोदयात्। कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गे प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। मेधा देवी जुषमाना न आगात् विश्वाचि भद्रा सुमनस्यमाना त्वया जुस्तानुदमाना दुरुक्तान् बृहद्वदेम विदते सुवीरा। त्वया जुस्ता ऋषिर्भवति देवी त्वया ब्रह्मा गतश्रीरुतत्वया। त्वया जुस्तश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्व रविनो न मेदे। मेदाम इन्द्रो ददातु मेदां देवी सरस्वती। मेदामे अश्विनः उभावा दत्तां पुष्करस्रजा। अप्सरासु चया मेधा गन्धर्वेषु चयन्मनः। देवी मेधा सरस्वती सा मां मेधासुरभिर्जुषतागुं स्वाहा। आमां मेधासुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगति जगम्या। ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सा मां मेधा सुप्रदीका जुषन्ताम्। मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि अग्निस्तेजो ददातु। मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि इन्द्रियं ददातु। मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो व्राजो ददातु। हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंसः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नीलादेवी गुं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। गृह्णाहि घृतवती सवितराधिपत्ये। पयस्वतिरन्तिरासानो अस्तु। ध्रुवादृशां विष्णुपत्यघोरा शेषानासहसोऽयमनोतात्। बृहस्पतिर्मातरि सोतवायुः सन्दुवानावाता अभिनो गृह्णतु। विस्तम्भो दिवो दरुणः पृथिव्या अशेषाना जगतो विष्णुपत्नी। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् ज्ञानेन मार्गेण महिषाः। गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम्। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
गणराया श्री गणराया। हर पल हर क्षण भूल करे पग पग ठोकर खाए। एक पग आगे दो पग पीछे साए। तुम तक कैसे आए। करुणा सागर परम कृपालु साई। भगत वत्सल तेरो नाम साई। दुख भंजन तेरो नाम साई। भगत वत्सल तेरो नाम। भगत वत्सल तेरो तुम संग बांधी प्रेम की डोरी। तुम संग बांधी प्रेम की डोरी। तुम संग बांधी प्रेम की डोरी। सुमिरन करो तेरु नाम साई। सुमिरन करो तेरु नाम साई। सुमिरन करो तेरु नाम। सुमिरन करो तेरु नाम। पतितो धारना भक्त परायण। पतितो धारना भक्त परायण। परतीश्वर साई परतीश्वर साई भगत वत्सल तेरो नाम साई। दुख भंजन तेरो नाम साई। भगत वत्सल तेरो नाम। तुम संग बांधी प्रेम की डोरी, सुमिरन करो तिरुनाम साई, पतितो धारण भक्त परायण, परमेश्वर साई परमेश्वर साई भगत वत्सल तेरु नाम साई, भूख भंजन तेरु नाम।
कोटि प्रणाम शत कोटि प्रणाम, कोटि प्रणाम शत कोटि प्रणाम, हे दीननाथ साई राम, हे दीननाथ साई राम, हे दीननाथ साई राम। तुम हो भक्तों के युग अवतार, तुम हो भक्तों के युग अवतार, तुम हो नंदा नंदा तुम हो नंदा पंक्तिपुरी साई गोपाल, पंक्तिपुरी साई गोपाल, हे दीननाथ साई राम, हे दीननाथ साई राम, हे दीननाथ साई प्रणाम शतकोटि प्रणाम।
बंधु सखा
वाहिनी सरस्वती माता जगत पालिनी गौरी माता अम्ब भवानी लक्ष्मी माता लक्ष्मी माता लक्ष्मी माता लक्ष्मी माता अम्ब भवानी लक्ष्मी माता साई माता जग जननी साई माता जग जननी गरुड़ वाहना नारायणा गरुड़ वाहना नारायणा विशेष शयना नारायणा विशेष शयना नारायणा नारायणा श्री लक्ष्मी रमणा नारायणा श्री लक्ष्मी रमणा नारायणा हरि ओम नारायणा हरि ओम नारायणा गरुड़ वाहना नारायणा विशेष शयना नारायणा गरुड़ वाहना नारायणा श्री लक्ष्मी रमणा नारायणा नारायणा श्री लक्ष्मी रमणा नारायणा हरि ओम नारायणा हरि ओम नारायणा गरुड़ वाहना नारायणा जय नारायण जय हरि ओम साई नारायण जय हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम साई ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम साई ओम जय हरि ओम। अयोध्यवासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम। अयोध्यवासी राम राम राम
देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
Om Sara, Bhagavan's counsel for today. No human being's love equals that of God. God's love is unchanging. He may assume any number of forms, but His love towards human beings remains unchanged. God is attributeless, pure, eternal, unsullied, final abode, enlightened, liberated, an embodiment of sacredness. You may call God by any name, Venkateshwara, Rama, Krishna, or Sai Baba. Only names differ. God is only one. That is why divinity has been explained as Ekam Eva Advitayam Brahma. Brahma is only one without a second. Some people may think that God has assumed a human form like Rama or Krishna, and hence now there is no God. What has really happened in this example is that God has not changed. He remains changelessness irrespective of the form He assumes. It is only a change in our perception of God. God's will is immutable. Jai Sai Ram, and now we shall offer Mangala Arati to Bhagavan.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपति स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपति आश्रित कल्पलतीका आश्रित कल्पलतीका आपदार्णवा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदेव मरियन्दयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्दयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शयना। ओम जय जगदीश समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु शान्ति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।